everybody, this is Scott, General Manager, Tallahassee Harley-Davidson, coming to you live from the 2014 Harley-Davidson Summer Dealer Meeting in Nashville, Tennessee. I'm standing here with the 2015 CVO Softail Deluxe. Beautiful bike, changed up their color scheme a little bit this year. Still gets all the same new features, the chrome handlebar controls, detachable saddlebags, detachable seat pillion, detachable backrest, 110 cubic inch motor. This bike is still a badass motorcycle. See this bike at hdflorida.com or check us out at tallahasseeharley.com for more of these awesome 2015 motorcycles.